Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss the tophus formation, or what is tophy, and the difference between the tophy and the rheumatoid nodule. So what is basically tophy? Tophy is its plural. A tophus happens when the crystals of the compound known as monosodium urate monohydrate builds up around a joint and look like bulbous swollen growth on the joint under the skin. How does it appear? It appears like an irregular film nodule. Here is a representation of tophus formation. It is as represented in this picture, that this is the tophus formation, where it basically forms. It mainly forms on the first metatarsophalangeal joint, that is of the big toe. So when it forms on the metatarsophalangeal joint, it is basically due to the accumulation of monosodium urate monohydrate crystals. This is a picture which is representing the tophus formation, or the tophi. Now we look for a picture in which we have a presentation of rheumatoid nodule. So this is a picture which is representing the rheumatoid nodule. As we have seen, this kind of nodule is palpable over the skin. There is a formation of nodules on the extensor surface of the forearm, and there is no any kind of ulceration or bleeding in this nodule. So this is a rheumatoid nodule. So when we look at this tophus nodule, we come to know that it is not a lump of the skin. There is like ulceration here, there is bleeding here, there is sign of inflammation here, and it is mostly not on the extensor surface of the finger. It is not on the extensor surface of the finger. These are the differences between the tophus and the rheumatoid nodule. As we have seen in the pictures before, that the color of the tophus is mostly white, whereas the rheumatoid nodule appear as a lump of tissues under the skin. What are their features? When we look towards the tophus, as I have told you, that tophus may ulcerate. Tophus, when ulcerate, it secretes white gritty material. White gritty material, when accumulates around the skin, it will result in the infection. What happens in case of infection? Infection causes induction of the local inflammatory response. When there is local inflammatory response, there is erythema and also pus formation. But while looking towards the rheumatoid nodule, what are the features of rheumatoid nodule? First, we have to know that rheumatoid nodule is palpable. It is non-tender. It is under the skin. Then what are the features or the characters of the nodule? Nodule is not discharging any kind of pus, any kind of blood. There is no any kind of infection around there. There is no any kind of inflammatory response around out there. So no change in color. The nodule of rheumatoid does not even bleed. It looks like a normal firm lump, round normal firm lump on the extensor surfaces of the elbow or extensor surfaces of the body, and it do not resemble other bumps of the skin. It does not resemble to the other bumps of the skin. While we look for the site formation for this tophus and rheumatoid nodule, what we have the sites of rheumatoid nodule and tophus formation. In case of tophy, we have extensor surfaces of fingers, we have extensor surfaces of hands, we have extensor surfaces of forearm, elbow, Achilles tendon, and helix of the ear. While when we look for the rheumatoid nodule, we mostly have tip of the elbow or interphalangeal joint. So tophus is the main diagnostic character for chronic gout, whereas rheumatoid nodule is the character of diagnosis for rheumatoid arthritis. Today we have done with the differences between the tophus and the rheumatoid nodule.